Right, so what I'm doing here is trying to install a wireless charger into my dash for my Civic. So as you can see right there, I rotate the cable nicely, hot glued it, run it down there, and it will end up at your feet, which I need to put some light on. And you can see the two wires right there to a 5-volt power supply, which I will show in a few seconds if I can get it. 5 volts, and to check that that is working, sorry about the, there you go, and I just need to touch to the ground wire, and there you go, power. Now it comes out, and we'll have some light here to indicate that I am putting power to that. There you go. Light up. A tiny red LED which doesn't want to focus indicates the power goes to. And yeah, that's about it. Obviously you connect it to the fuse number 34, which is not used, but it has power too, and it works with a ignition. So whenever you turn your ignition on, that will come on. Turn the ignition off, that will come off. And that's about it, nothing else. Cool.